Hip flexors are a popular topic in the exercise industry, but do you know how to effectively stretch them? Well, watch this video as we'll go through 4 effective ways to stretch your hip flexors. Number 1 is a laying hip flexor stretch. So laying down, bring one knee behind you and allow the opposite leg to sit straight in front of you. Gently bring your torso back so you're leaning away from the bent leg, and lift your arm overhead, and then you should feel the stretch going down the front of the thigh. Number 2 is a couch stretch. So in a kneeling position with one leg propped on a raised surface so that the leg is pushed into flexion, lean back slightly to gain greater flexion and stretch of the hip flexors. Number 3 is a standing hip flexor stretch. So with one leg pushed back onto your toes, keep your body upright, tilt your pelvis in to gain a really nice stretch on the hip flexors. Number 4 is a kneeling hip flexor stretch. So similar to the couch stretch, but without the knee into the deep flexion. You're in a lunge type position and gently lean forward and tilt that pelvis in so you're really getting that nice stretch in the hip flexor. These are just a few ideas to stretch the hip flexors. Have a go and see what works for you. Any other ideas, then comment below.